Attenzione, prego. Il treno sta per partire.
Prego.
Invitiamo eventuali accompagnatori a scendere tempestivamente. Grazie. Attention, please. The train is about to depart. We invite any accompanying persons to disembark promptly. Thank you.
Hi. So we're now in Rome, and honestly, I'm not really here for the touristy things. Kasi hindi ako nag-prepare. I think you need to book tickets even before you arrive, just to secure passes to the Colosseum, to the Vatican, to I don't know. So I'm just here for the vibes. Tapos kung anong maabutan, yun na yun. So which is, I think, a good way as the trip is ending. So this is Rome. Ang OA ng tao. Oh my God. Ayoko nito. More fountains. I look happy. Kasi sobrang daming tao. Hindi siya masaya. Mas maraming tao dito kaysa sa Florence. Ang init.
Yabang, naka-t-shirt lang.
Happy birthday. Welcome to Rome. Quiet on the set. Baka nandyan siya, Coco Martin.
Emily in Paris nag-shooting dito.
Nakita mo?
Kaya hindi ka makakalapit, talagang pinapalayo. As an engineer, di ba? Anong masasabi mo? Kasi it's one of the marvels of engineering.
Really?
That has
Why?
withstood the test of time.
Pwede ba pumasok mo? Wag na. Okay na ako. Not worth it.
Thank you.
Kailan walang tao sa Rome?
Winter Empire. Yan yung parang crown nila. Na they conquered Egypt. So, dinala nila yan. So, mapapansin mo, may mga hati-hati siya. Kasi they brought it piece by piece. Hindi nila dinala isang
So galing siya ng Egypt. Hindi siya kinonstruct
kasi yan
from
yung,
here.
yan yung parang trophy nila. Now, we've made it here. Parang ito yung parang nila sa Milano. Di ba sa Milano?
Yung shopping thing. Sorry.
Laura is actually really good at getting through the crowd, but the rest of us will be left alone.
I know.
Yeah.
Babalik ba tayo dun or? Hanggang gitna lang. Cool, twin churches. Na Pinoy
Although, yung iba kasi sa kanila, hindi naman din galing sa ano.
sa Pilipinas. Kagaya ko.
Lugar na walang ano.
Kagaya ko.
Naamoy mo na, naamoy mo na. Ganda na. Ako din. Ay, may meal pala nito.
All A. Tapos kayo-kayo lang yun. Morning. We are here from Las Vegas Models. It's our only full day here. We are going to a different country today. So, whoa, I'm at the seat of the Pope. The Roman Catholic faith. May masusunog. Nilalamig na ako, be. Alas 9 na. I won't stay for the entire thing. Gusto ko lang makita yung Pope.
Philippines.
Menos para llevarla.
So, ilang beses ka nag-Jollibee? Yes.
That's your obvious.
I had a reflective moment a while ago. Habang hinihintay si Pope. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi ko na to. Pero it just made me more grateful of what I have, where I am, what I'm doing. Kasi ang daming coincidence na hindi ko naman pinaplano ng matagal. Hindi naman siya about faith, pero I was in a crowd of so many people na I think they really plan to be here in Rome. Like they're from all over the world. They're doing the pilgrimage just to be in the Vatican, just to see the Pope. And then I was there. I came to Rome without any plans. I just wanna chill. I just wanna eat and drink and see some of the sights and meet a few people. Tapos, all of a sudden, nagkataon lang sa schedule, lalabas yung Pope. Tapos nung last Sunday, free yung museums. Parang ang daming coincidence na hindi ko alam during the planning, which is so cool. So that made me think na meron akong privilege to be here, na hindi ko dapat siya tinitake for granted. Sabi yung angle na. And with that privilege, I need to work hard. Hindi naman siya about faith. Also, wala akong reaction kay Pope. Ewan ko. Hindi ako nag-resonate. So, yun lang.
Estaba marcando que
Mas eu tenho que te mostrar. A Emily gravou aqui, não gravou?
The bear and the big blue house will be waiting for you to come and play. To come and play.
Che vigliacco che sei. C'è l'ortato scommessa tra me e Flavio.
Proprio che ha fatto, sì, vedi?
Ma dai.